In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit money into your Axiom account so you can start trading as quickly as possible. Before we begin, make sure you've already created your Axiom account. If you haven't done that yet, be sure to watch our creation tutorial first, as it will make following this guide much easier. Once you are on the dashboard, I want you to hover on the deposit button because this is where you will see your balance and where you can manage your funds before placing any trades. You will notice that there is the drop down arrow button located to your wallet, okay? Because here you will see the available funding options. Generally, you have 2 or 5 ways to fund your account: deposit crypto from an existing wallet or exchange, or buy crypto directly through Axiom's integrated payment provider. You see, these are going to be the accepted cryptocurrency tokens. And if you wanted to buy it directly through one of the payment integrated platform here in Axiom, you can do that. For example, let's say if you don't have a Solana or Sol wallet, you can buy it through OnRamper. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is click the deposit button, and then you need to put the amount or value that you wanted to buy or deposit money here in Axiom. Let's say we're gonna choose something like this one, and it will automatically convert how much it will cost you on your base currency or your default currency, which is gonna be like 5.23 thousand US dollars. And if you're satisfied with the amount, click the buy button because you will be forwarded to the integrated payment provider page. Now, all I have to do is provide your payment method. You can use Apple Pay, your own credit card, debit card, Google Pay, Revolut Pay, Skrill, and the teller. It's up to you. And then once you click the buy Sol, what will happen is after your purchase is processed, the crypto will automatically be credited to your Axiom wallet, allowing you to start trading immediately. Once the deposit has been completed, I want you to return to your dashboard and verify your balance. Your updated wallet balance should now be visible. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the blockchain a few more minutes to finish processing the transaction. Basically, that's it for today's video on how you deposit money into Axiom. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.